Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika Arora and I am back again with another Fashion Find episode with me show actually. And again I have a lot of pieces, but this time we have tops, we have dresses, we have pod set, we have something for the bottom. So yeah, I'm really excited. So without any further delay, let's start. For this haul, we have everything almost under 350 rupees only, and because it's me show, everything is super cheap and affordable. Now I think I'm gonna start with the tops first. So let's put this one on. This is looking really pretty actually. It has a lot of butterflies all over the top, front and back, and it is a plain step wala top. And yeah, I'm really excited. So let's put this on. Okay, so this is what our first top looks like. Honestly, I'm really happy with the quality as well. And it's काफी easy breezy, and just look at prints. It's so girly, and I love the fact that we can style it with pants, with skirts. I would love to style this with linens. Linen pants actually would look very cute, especially considering this spring season. And I mean, this is just so cute. It has a lot of color going on, and I really like it. And this top also has this really decent length. So if you like to tuck this in, you can do that, or leave it free. You can also tie a knot if you like. So I really like it in each and every aspect. Now talking about the size and the price, firstly it fits me perfectly as you can see, and this was priced at 139 rupees, and I bought this in size XS. And just look at this. Also I love that it is white but it's not at all transparent. I love it so much. Now let's move on to our next one. To our next top, I think I'm gonna go with this one. It has a ribbed material, it has neck, and ये काफी improper सी cutting type. It's not a fault actually, it's a proper design. काफी wave सी design में है इसकी neckline. So yeah, let's put this on. This is what our next top looks like, and honestly I'm so impressed with the quality. First of all, it's so good quality, and it's in the ribbed material, तो fitting काफी अच्छी देता है eventually. And you can see how well fitted this one is, and it looks so gorgeous because of the color. This dark red, sort of from the maroon side. I really like the color so much. It's so suiting, and it's suiting very well, and it's just enhancing my features. And I love the V-neck. It's enhancing the collarbones, and I mean I love it overall. I love these wavy neckline as well, and यहाँ पे sleeve पे भी design है, and the fact that these are broad sleeve, so और भी ज़्यादा modern लग रहा है, और भी ज़्यादा classy लग रहा है, I would say. And I really like it. Again, I would love to style these with some maybe khaki pants or some beige color bottom, because बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा ये. And you can build this outfit as well, add a lot of neck pieces, maybe some handsets, and you're good to go. Maybe add a nice statement earring, and I mean I love it so much. Now talking about the size and the price, I bought this in size XS. Fits amazingly as you can see, and I bought this just for 134 rupees only, which I feel is an amazing crazy deal, because this is actually a really premium quality top. So yeah, you must get your hands on this. Now let's move on to our next one. And I have one last top left with me, which is this one, but I'm gonna try this black pant, and after that we'll try the top, so that you can know how this pant fits me. I haven't tried it, but I have really high hopes from this. Seems actually a very good quality bottom. So let's put this on. Okay, this is what our bottom looks like. I'm sorry that I cannot put this all in a frame, but the pant is flared actually, so ये नीचे से ऐसे open up हो जाती है. And I really like the quality again. काफी stretchy भी है, and it also has this elastic, ताकि ये proper आपको fit कर सके and आपकी waist को अच्छे से cinch कर सके. So overall I like it so much, and it has this really nice fitting, and yeah, I like it. You can just pair it with any top maybe, and some long shirt. आप किसी के साथ भी इसको pair कर सकते हो. And if you are college going, trust me, you will love it after hearing the price. It's so freaking cheap. So now talking about the size and the price, I bought this in size XS, and fits amazingly. And this was just priced at 175 rupees only, and I'm like, I was so shocked that just for 179 rupees, it's an amazing crazy deal. I love it so much, and yeah, I'm sure you will love it too. Let me just try to just see. This looks actually very cute, very classy. So yeah, you must get your hands on this. I believe this is again another essential that you must own. Now let's move on to the top. I'm gonna go with this one right here. It has these ruffle details, and you know me, how much I love ruffles. So yeah, it has these ruffles and polka dots all over the top, and again V-neck hair, and it has this a little flow going on in the bottom. I think this is going to be a very cute yet a very retro kind of piece. So let's put this on. This is what our next top looks like, and this has to be my favorite one because I love the fitting. First of all, I love the neckline. I love everything about this top. It has a lot going on in this, and it's suiting so well. Well, it suits me really well. I think it's complementing my whole body type. It's complementing my height, my color, my complexion, and I feel this is such a color which will complement to each and every brown skin tone. Indian skin tone बहुत ज़्यादा सही जाएगा ये top. And trust me, if you are a college going girl or even if you are an office going girl, you must consider this because काफी cute है, इसकी length भी काफी decent है. So just like I've styled it with this black pant, you can do the same and it looks really really lovely. आपको इसके साथ ज़्यादा कुछ styling भी नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. You are simply good to go. Just add your basic everyday makeup and yeah, that's it. Talking about the size and the price, I bought this top in size XS and this is priced at 240 rupees only, which I again feel is an amazing deal for this top. This is such a cute top and इसकी quality भी बहुत अच्छी है. ये कहीं नहीं जाने वाला है and I really like the ruffles all over the neckline and the sleeve area, so I really like it. Now let's move on to our next one. Now we are left with two cord sets and a dress. This is what the dress looks like. It's in a brown color and again this wavy sort of sleeve design and a lot of waves on the neck as well और इसकी end में भी ऐसा ही है. So I really like it. Now it is again in the ribbed material. तो जब भी कोई चीज़ ribbed material में होती है तो उसकी fitting काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है. So I'm actually excited to give this a try. So let's put this on. This is what our next dress looks like. I am so impressed. I feel everything from this haul is really impressive so far. Talking about this dress again, the fitting is just perfect. I love the color as well. And just look at the length. It's again very decent length. The sleeve is perfect. So if you are someone who's just not comfortable wearing sleeveless dresses, this is a dress for you. And आप चाहो तो इसको और भी तरीके से style कर सकते हो. Just add throw something on the top. You can do a denim jacket, maybe a white shirt, and yeah, you're good to go. I really like this dress. This is very cute. I love that brown earthy touch in this dress. And yeah, now talking about the size and the price, I bought this in size XS. Fits amazingly. And this was priced at 179 rupees only, which is like so cheap because this is even less than 200 rupees. So I really like it that wise. Now let's move on to our last two pieces. I think I'm gonna go with this one. So I believe this is a kind of a night suit and this is in a very powder pink sort of color. इसमें black का भी touch है बीच में and let's just put this on. This is what our next piece looks like. I love the color pink and since Bag made it super viral, it's still so in trend right now. I love everything about this now. It has these border lines in the black color which is like complementing black and pink is actually complementing each other very well and it also has this टाइम डिटेल यहाँ पे जिससे आप इसको प्रॉपर अपनी हाइट के हिसाब से आप प्रॉपर टाई कर सकते हो एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. इट्स अ वेरी क्यूट नाइट सूट एंड इट फील्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल एज वेल. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द साइज एंड द प्राइस, I bought this in size XS. Fits amazingly and this was priced just for a piece 173 only, which again to my surprise is very affordable. Night suits are very expensive and if you are someone who loves wearing night suits and if you ditch your old clothes over night suits, this is the one for you because this is super affordable on pocket. So yeah, now let's move on to our last and final piece. This is what our last piece looks like. I have saved the best for the last and just look at this. This gives a proper army yet a very fancy kind of a look and I really like it overall. I like the color green. It almost looks like a character in game. I cannot remember it, but yeah, it looks super sexy, super feminine, super strong as well. So I really like it. Now इसमें ये आपको belt के लिए slot दी खाली है. So if you feel that it's not that fitted, you can just add a belt or maybe add a belt just for enhancing the whole look of the fit. Now these are functional buttons. Actually, you can just keep it open or just put it till here. It's totally up to you. And now it also has these functional pockets which I feel is useless. Who puts anything here anyway? So yeah, I really like it. Now talking about the size and the price, about this in size XS. Fits amazingly as you can see and yeah, also again these are also functional buttons. So yeah, in case it doesn't fit you, by sliding. Also इसमें यहाँ पे पीछे इलास्टिक दी गिवन है तो डेफिनेटली फिट इजीली हो जाएगा, बट जस्ट इन केस it also has some buttons for you. Now talking about the size and price, bought this in size XS, fits amazingly, and this was priced at least 335, like 335 for a quad set, that too this good. I mean, it's again a very amazing deal. It's super cheap, and yeah, it won't dig a hole in your pocket in case if you are planning some trip or maybe some birthday parties or any kind of party concert. So yeah, this is the dress that I have for you. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and found something for yourself, because if you did, I'm really happy. And just like the usual, I loved doing this try and haul with you guys, because you get to see my proper honest review on these, as I'm also trying these for the first time with you. So yeah, I'm really happy about this. Now as a consumer also, I love watching try on hauls, etc. So yeah, it's really interesting for me as well. Now yeah, if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on my Instagram handle, Kritika_. Essentially, I'm a fashion content creator, and I post religiously on my Instagram about fashion finds, tips, tricks, inspiration and whatnot. So if you are into fashion as much as I am, you must follow me there. Until then, bye.